comes to nurturing the brain development of your child, mealtime is just as important as playtime. Andrea is here to tell us why it's wise to stock your kitchen with brain foods for your kids. Andrea, so good to have you back this morning.
Thanks.
Now, I know that the first 36 months of a child's life is incredibly important. Let's explore the relationship between nutrients and brain development.
You know, the brain grows at a rapid rate for those first 36 months, but it continues growing, and also it needs maintenance throughout life. And especially young growing children, and also with kids now back at school,
Yes.
having to focus and concentrate, it's nice to know which particular foods can help support brain growth and development, the
Yes.
right nutrients that are actually built into the brain cells.
Now, you mentioned going back to school, Andrea, and I know that when it comes to school, brain development, concentration, memory is essential. Tell us what you have here and why it's important for those things.
Well, there's a strong link between nutrition and concentration and focus and memorizing, because nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids that we find in foods like walnuts, also in salmon. Now, this is salmon fish paste.
Okay.
And we know that the oily fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids.
Okay.
And the omega-3 fats from these food items are built into our brain cells. And for children, it's particularly important because their brain tissues are growing and developing.
These are pretty cool because that can make a nice egg sandwich over there. That can go in the lunch as well, and a few nuts for, you know, for snacks.
Yes, I think these are three practical things to incorporate into a lunchbox. Walnuts, definitely, it can be chopped up and mixed with dried fruits. Not all children are fond of nuts.
Yeah.
The salmon spread can be used on a slice of bread or toast or a sandwich. And then eggs don't necessarily contain the omegas, but other nutrients that are also crucial for brain development.
Very wonderful. Now, in the case of not having a lot of time to prepare these things, can we use supplements?
Definitely, and you know, it's quite a challenge to get to sufficient quantities of omegas. If you have to sort of get to the right amount of omegas for a child per day, you'd have to give them this entire scoop of the fish paste spread, which is achievable, but from one day to the next, you won't get them to eat this every single day. So Vital has made a supplement, an omega-3 concentrated supplement, especially for children. It's a sherbet, delicious fruit-flavored sherbet that contains fish oil. So they've taken the stinky fish odor out, and it tastes delicious. So this is the Vital Kids Omega.
Nice.
Now, this is something that can be popped into the lunchbox, or I would actually recommend to give it to your child before they go to school. What a better way to start the day.
I know.
With brain nutrients, actually.
Absolutely. Sherbet that's actually good for you.
Yes.
I really, really love it. So these are the important nutrients that you need for brain development, for memory, for concentration, for focus as well. All the things that we need when we spend those long hours in the classroom.
It is, and you know, it's actually not like it has a medicinal effect. It's a structure function benefit, because your brain needs these nutrients to do what it's supposed to do. So if we feed it the right nutrients, it can work at its best.
Wonderful. Oh, Andrea, I'm so happy that we have you here. Life feels so much easier with Andrea around.
Well, you know, I get lots of questions from moms, especially the pressures on at school now. People are welcome to post questions on my Facebook page. It's Andrea du Plessis Vital Expert.
Wonderful stuff. Well, there you have it. If you want more information on foods that help your toddler's brain blossom, visit Andrea's Facebook page.
Trust Vital for your family's health.